Hey, law students, what's your biggest fear? I faced a few of them before I went to law school, life or death type situations involving others. And after I went to law school, my biggest fear 3 times was the California bar exam. Even when you think you're prepared, you can't be sure. But the fourth time, that's right, 4 times I took the California bar exam. That's 12 days of my life I'll never get back. It was different. I was confident, nervous, but confident. But first, pop quiz, all from Torts, first year law students classes, just to demonstrate. Let's see if you can handle each of these quick, quick, quick. What's the difference between battery and assault? Do you have the answer? Do you know? Got the first one? That was easy. How about this? Just repeat the definition. That should be easy enough too. State the definition of each: battery and assault. Don't get scared. You can do this. It's not going to be easy necessarily, but law school is more about persistence than smarts. Ready for the next one? Ready for another? We'll call this one double jeopardy. What's the standard of care for a landowner? Now, you need a hint. That one's related to negligent torts, but you'll know that before you get to the bar exam, right? Right? So what's the standard of care for a landowner? While we're at it, here's one that's a bit esoteric. It killed me the second time I took the bar. What if there's an attractive nuisance? What are the factors to consider with an attractive nuisance? How long did it take you to call out those factors? You got to be fast. When you have an hour for a full essay, and that's just one component to that essay, the more time you spend recalling the definition, the less time you got to write. Bar examiners love throwing in this type of question to a bar exam because it separates those who are prepared from those who've just sort of prepared. Last question coming up. Bonus time. Final topic for illustration purposes. What's the definition of defamation per se? What's the difference between a public figure and a limited public figure? Got those? Were you able to quote them from memory? So here's the point. I learned the hard way. I'll probably share some of my story along the way, but my story is not important. If you watch this and walk away and have nothing else to take with you, the important thing to remember is to know the rules and the definitions cold. Have them down. Be able to quote them at parties. Just joking, but be able to quote them whenever necessary. What if there was a tool that could help you with that memorization? What if it didn't cost you anything except your time and attention? At times when you can focus while you're doing something else, while you're working out, while you're commuting, while you're traveling, while you're chilling by the pool or by the fire, or whenever you have a spare moment. Hey, thanks for listening. We picked an easy body of law like any of them is easy, but it's pretty straightforward, especially compared to property or evidence or con law or the twin dragons of the procedures, civil and criminal. But we're going to work on those as well. If you'd like to check out things a bit further, please like, subscribe, and share, but only with other law students or bar exam takers. I won't promise it'll be entertaining for those with just a casual interest in the law. Most of all, thank you for taking a few minutes to go through this with me. Happy studies. Wishing you great success.